World Environment Day is celebrated across the world on 5th June every year. Since 1974, World Environment Day is the most remarkable day for environmental action. This day is celebrated to encourage worldwide awareness and action for the protection of environment. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem restoration can happen by actively planting trees or by removing pressures on the ecosystem by protecting environment and reducing the increasing level of pollution. We can celebrate World Environment Day by planting more and more trees, by not using polythenes, by carpooling, by using public transport, by saving water, by recycling things, by reusing things. So, World Environment Day aims to inspire more people to take action to prevent the growing strain on planet Earth. And our students are not behind. They are also active agents and try to spread awareness towards the protection of environment by their own unique way.
My name is Avinav Kumar. I study in class 4E. Today I will tell the slogan on Environment's Day. It's our duty to save the environment's beauty. Stopping pollution is the best solution to save the environment. Wasting time is useless. Cleaning the environment is the best. Save the trees and don't charge a fee. Save the environment to save future generation. Our environment is green, but we need to make it clean. Let's go green for make the environment. Save the environment, save the nature, save the life. No earth, no birth. Happy Environment's Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Help! Someone is killing me! Mother Earth is in danger. Go green! Save trees, save life. Happy Environment Day.
Help! Someone is killing me. My name is Ashwin Kumar, roll number 6, class 4E. Drop seeds, not trees. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Cut your greed, not the greenery. Earth is our mother. In spite of our desire to harm our mother, she will always love us. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Dream City, my dream city, save the planet Earth and save environment. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, save water, save life. The future we steer, our water be clear. Together we will have nothing to fear. If you choose to save water, water will save you. Save water, save life. Thank you.
World Environment Day. There are 3 R's to save our world. First, reduce. Second, reuse. Third, recycle. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy Environment Day.
First is save trees, relax for free. And second is let's nature the nature so that we can have a better future. And third is if you conserve water, it means you conserve life. And fourth is don't waste electricity. You will resent it. And last and fifth is plant a tree so that next germination can get air for free. Thank you and happy World Environment Day.
Walk as much as possible, save water.
water, recycle, plant a tree, do not cut tree, add greenery to our environment to make it fresh and alive. Happy Environment Day to all of you.
Save trees, save environment. Happy Environment Day.
Environment Day, save water, tomorrow it will save you. Thank you.
Environment Day. Save the nation and stop deforestation. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Save our nation, stop deforestation, plant more and more trees. Happy World Environment Day to all of you.
Save trees, save water, don't use poly bags, save the world. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
If you save water, it means you save life. Happy World Environment Day.
If you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vietnam. Do not cut the trees, save the trees. Save water, save electricity. Happy World Environment Day.
Do not cut trees and save nature. Happy World Environment Day.
Do not cut tree, plant more tree. Save water, save life. Thank you. Save water, save life. Happy Environment.
Save plant, save world. Happy Environment Day. Happy World Environment Day.
Trees are very important part of our life because it gives us oxygen, and without oxygen we cannot exist. So we have to save trees for present as well as future. Lastly, only I want to say, save trees, save life. Thank you.
Good morning. My message is to stop deforestation. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Navdaja from class 5E. I am presenting my poster on deforestation. And this is my poster on deforestation. Nature sent us a message with the current COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing climate crisis, as we all know that we are interconnected with nature, whether we like it or not. If we don't take care of our nature, we can't take care of ourselves. So stop deforestation and save the nature. Thank you.
Save trees, plant more trees. World Happy Environment Day.
Save every drop, our world depends on it. Happy World Environment Day.
On World Environment Day, I want to say that we should go green, stop pollution, save earth, save life.
Environment. Do not cut trees, stop pollution and save trees. Do not do deforestation. Happy Environment Day.
Time spent amongst trees is never time wasted. Happy World Environment Day.
Save environment, save life. Thank you. Do not cut trees, save earth, save life. Happy World Environment Day.
Save every drop, our world depends on it. Happy World Environment Day. Water, water everywhere. Try to save it if you care. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Don't plant trees if you want cool breeze. Save our nation, stop deforestation. Happy Environment Day to you all. Thank you.
Do not cut the trees. Happy World Environment Day.
Better environment, better tomorrow. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Water is our life. Do not waste water. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Save trees, save life. Happy Environment Day.
And Happy Environment Day. Do plantation to be free of pollution. Thank you.
Water, save earth. Happy Environment Day, all of you. Thank you.
Save trees, save earth. Happy World Environment Day.
Trees are very important. It gives us oxygen, it gives us food, it gives us wood to make future, it gives us paper.
Environment Day. Thank you.
Class 4. Today is World Environment Day. On this day, I want to speak something. नेट बचाए वृक्ष लगाए आओ पर्यावरण को बचाए थैंक यू
Save plants, save environment. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Earth is our home and environment is its roof. Save both. Happy World Environment Day.
Heal the earth, heal our future. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Save water, save life. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Do not cut trees. Tree cutting is a big disaster of Earth's life. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Save trees, save earth. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Save environment, save life. Thank you.
Save water, save life. Happy World Environment Day.
Let's nature the nature so that we can have a better future. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Save the tree and save the water. Water is life. Take care of it. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Join hand to save environment. Thank you.
Don't be greedy, it's time for greenie. Happy World Environment Day.
Do not cut trees. Plants are important to us. Plants give oxygen. Trees protect the global warming. Do not cut trees. Save trees. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Do not cut trees. Plant more trees. Thank you. Life is possible only on earth. Protect it. Save tree, save earth. Happy Environmental Day.
Make tree not stump. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Clean environment, save nature. Happy World Environment Day. Don't be greedy. It's time to be green. Happy World Environment Day.
Save water, save life. Happy Environment Day, all of you. Thank you. Stop pollution. Plant more and more tree. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you. Stop cutting tree. Save tree. Save life. Thank you.
Keep it clean. Keep it green. Thank you. Water is life. Take care of it. Thank you.
Wasting time is useless. Cleaning the environment is the best. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Save Earth and save planet.
Save water. Save life. Happy World Environment Day.
Save water tomorrow, save your life. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Water is life. Take care of it. Thank you and happy World Environment Day.
Don't cut trees if you want to breathe. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Stop cutting trees. Plant more and more trees. Happy World Environmental Day. Thank you.
Don't make tree rare. Keep them with care. Happy Environment Day.
Save water, save nature. Happy Environment Day.
Say no plastic. To use up bag. Happy World Environment Day. Environment index the living and non-living thing that on organine with odd has that and organine in living on it.
Water is life. Take care of it. Happy World Environment Day.
Stop pollution. Plant more and more trees. Save earth and save trees. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Drop seeds, not trees. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Think green, keep it green. Happy Environment Day.
Clean environment, happy environment day.
Protect the shield of earth. Do not be cut. Happy Environment Day.
Keep it clean, keep it green. Happy World Environment Day.
Water is life. Take care of it.
Happy World Environment Day.
Save the green, let the earth smile. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
World Environment Day is celebrated on 5 June every year all over the world. The main aim of this day is to raise awareness among people to protect the environment. World Environment Day was first celebrated in 1974 with theme of Only on Earth. Thank you and have a nice day.
Save the trees and environment for safe future of next generation. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
While we are panicking about COVID 19, Mother Earth is healing.